lovelies, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. We are currently on our way to church. Thank you so much to everyone who has clicked on today's video. Please do want to like the video as well. It does a lot to help my analytics and also get YouTube to promote my videos so that other people can get to see it. So yeah, it snowed the night before and this is what it looked like on our way to church. So it was really beautiful to see all the landscaping, and believe it or not, there were still some crops in these fields. There were still some things that were growing, like cucumbers and some kind of potatoes or turnips or things like that. But anyway, happy Sunday, you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. We just finished church and the rain is raining. This rain does not want to agree. There's still ice pellicles on the floor. Like, you can still see patches of ice everywhere. But this rain is not letting up.
Mommy, someone has an umbrella. And we need one as well.
My son says we need an umbrella.
Do you still remember that we still had the black one?
The black one is in South Africa. We did not bring it.
What?
What?
Oh.
Sorry.
Mommy, this I don't...
Anyway, we stopped at Aldi on our way home from church. We got a few things for the week, and then I remember that I haven't shown you guys my weight. I promised you that in the second day Vlogmas, and yes, so I'm going to do that before I go into anything. It's around 3 o'clock now and I haven't had anything to eat, so the weight should be right, Abby, but it was wrong. I think because of all the layers, it was still showing me 84 point something. But anyway, as promised, I will show you. I always climb on the scale like 3-4 times and then I take the third reading and it's still showing me 84.7 here. But anyway, let's just get into today's prep. I'm just going to put away all these groceries before we go into that. And you know I can't do anything without these headphones. But anyway, you guys, we got this at Aldi and I thought this would just make my life easier this afternoon. So it's breaded chicken and it just says cook for 30 minutes. It's new in Aldi, hence the sign there. I have those old potatoes that have been in my pantry for a while. Well, this is what we're going to use along with some new potatoes. Those are the 3 ones on the side. I'm also going to be adding some onion and garlic to that. So I'm just going to go ahead and start prepping my potatoes. I'm going to be peeling them while I watch a movie and listen to songs intermittently because my mood today was just off. I don't know if you guys can tell. But anyways, the potatoes are peeled. I'm going to be using these Pyrex dishes that I got from Farm Foods. They were, I think, 3 for £10 at the time. I bought that last year, around this time last year at Farm Foods. I don't know if they still have that, but it was on combo for 3 for £10. Anyway, I'm just going to be cutting up my potatoes, so roughly around the same size. And then I'm going to give it a quick rinse, and then I'm going to transfer that into the bowl. I'm trying to get rid of all the starch, and then I'm going to be adding my seasoning as listed on your screen, and then I'm going to be agitating that together before I go ahead and put that in the microwave. So I'm using brown sugar just for caramelization. You can use honey if you want to. This used to be a staple for us back in South Africa, and for some reason we've just fallen out of love with it. But I'm just trying to reintroduce that into our diet again, or into our routine sort of here in the UK. But anyway, I'm just letting that go for 5 minutes initially, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare this chicken for the oven. I'm just going to be fanning this out in another Pyrex dish. I'm going to be putting that in the oven to go on for 30 minutes, and then I'll check on my potatoes, agitate again, and then I'm going to let them go for another 5 minutes while I just clean up and get ready for the second part of the potatoes, which is just add some herbs and some onions and garlic. I'm just mincing that on the chopping board while I wait for the potatoes to get done. So as soon as they're done, I just bring them out, agitate again, and then I add all of my herbs into the bowl. And you can choose to either finish the potato in the microwave at this point or just put it in the oven. At this point I was just tired of standing, so I decided to just chuck this in the oven. I'm just going to transfer this into another Pyrex station and put this in the oven for 12 more minutes. So thank you to everyone who has been engaging on our Vlogmas so far. The views, however, have not been encouraging, you guys. I won't even lie, it's not making me happy, but I keep pushing. I'm committed to this, so I'm going to see it through. I'm just going to keep putting out videos as often as I can. Obviously, it has to be the other day from the day that I shoot it, because realistically it's not possible for me to upload a video by 9 p.m. Sure, you guys get. So that's why I keep uploading the day after. So alright, you guys, so my potatoes are done, my chicken is done. It's just time to serve this up with some veggies. Our veggies of choice today is cucumber. I got this really large one at Aldi. I'm just washing that up, and then I'm going to dice them up so that everyone can get a portion, and then our lunch / dinner is ready. So this is like the main meal that we're having today. And honestly, because of the trip from church and everything, everyone has had snacks up until now, but this is like the main food for tonight. Anyway, my husband just found this thing that I've been looking for God knows how long, and yeah, dinner is ready. Let's eat. Thank you again to everyone. I'm truly grateful. I keep saying this in all my vlogs, and that's just because I am truly grateful, because the number of you who keep clicking on my videos to watch, you don't know how grateful I am. I'm honestly thrilled that I have at least this community to share and to grow with. It is such a blessing. And thank you also again to those who left sweet comments in my last video for the whole the Shein haul. It was good to hear your comments, and I'm grateful that you guys at least get to learn one or two things from this channel. It gladdens my heart, seriously. I honestly underestimated this Vlogmas, because no one told me I would be walking around the clock like non-stop, because I'm creating content and I'm editing. Right now I'm at the bus station waiting for my bus to come, and I'm doing a voiceover. But anyway, I'm committed to this. I'm going to see this through. Even if it's one person that watches my videos, and let me not even be negative, I will get the views that I want to see, and people will keep coming. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog up until now. Tomorrow we will be uploading at the same time, so please stay tuned for that as well. You can also help me by liking this video as soon as it comes up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.